Morning geocachers. I'm out and about in York this morning. It's early doors on Sunday, the last day of January, and I'm just doing a few caches in the city centre. I've done the two that I wanted to find that are in the heavily populated areas, and so there's one at York Cemetery. Well, there's a couple out that way, and I thought I'll pop out there and see if I can find them. Let's get looking. So I'm currently on Low Petergate in York, and you can see the sun just beginning to bathe the Minster. But we're not going in that direction because we're going this way. The app says about 1.3 kilometres away. What a great way to get a bit of exercise. But while it's quiet, I might just warm myself up with a drop of coffee, because I've already done 2 caches this morning. Hot steamy coffee when you're out and about, can't beat it. There's some wonderful cloud formations this morning, even though there is that blinking grey aerial I saw on the telecoms building. Just across the road there, that's Fossgate. I'm going to pop down here. This has been a well rejuvenated area over the last few years. Lots of little niche cafes and bars. So we've got the Red Lion pub. Another one of the pubs in York that I think it reputes itself to be one of the most notorious and earliest. Here we go, what does it say on there? Known originally as the Three Cups, most construction dates to the 16th century Tudor era. Foundation material and parts of an early bread oven are late 13th century. A priest hole on the first floor accesses a chimney stack. This is rumoured to have been an escape route used by the infamous highwayman Dick Turpin. The pub may still be one of his favourite haunts. Oh dear. Puntastic. Just quite fascinated by the sun's reflections on that building there. Here we have York Barbican. And just behind there, or sorry, I should say just in front, the city walls, where I've recently done a series of caches. You might have seen the videos. So up there on the left, that's the cemetery, and I'm really hoping that the gates are open. Yay! I used to do quite a bit of work in here with young offenders, doing reparation work, and I always really liked it in here. It's always nice and peaceful, and I think before I go looking for the cache, I'm actually going to show you what's my favourite headstone. It is nice to see the snowdrops out and the daffs poking through. Here we go. She's looking a little bit more weather worn than when I last saw her. But for some reason, I've always really liked that. Right, enough of that. Let's find this cache. Found it! It's one of those little canisters, and it was hanging up. I'm not going to tell you where. and there's a log inside it that's nice and dry, a very big log actually, one of the biggest I've actually come across. So while I sign this up and have a little drinks break, I'll just say thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this little meander through the city, this little journey with me, and if you have, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, then don't. Give it a thumbs down if you like. And if you like what I'm doing and you want to subscribe to the channel, please do. It doesn't cost you anything, and YouTube will let you know when I've uploaded any new videos. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for clicking on this. Take care.